Amidst a crypto landscape saturated with promises of groundbreaking technology and revolutionary utility, Near Protocol has carved its distinct niche. Touted as a next-gen blockchain platform, Near marries the principles of decentralization with advancements in usability and scalability, crafting a bridge between the technocentric world of blockchain and the typical end user. Origins and development. Founded in 2018 by Alex Skidnov and Ilya Polosukhin, both of whom possess a rich legacy in the tech world, the Near Protocol was conceptualized as an antidote to the prevalent challenges facing older blockchain models, particularly those related to scalability and user accessibility. Dr. Tasha Rios, an established blockchain analyst, offers her perspective. Near's inception is characterized by a confluence of tech prowess and market understanding. The foresight of its founders, who envisioned the looming scalability issues of then-existing blockchains, has positioned Near as a market leader. The growth trajectory of Near since its inception has been remarkable, drawing attention from both investors and developers alike, largely due to its novel technological approach and its solutions to many of the challenges facing Ethereum, the de facto leader in decentralized applications. Technical foundations. Nightshade sharding. Traditional blockchains suffer from scalability issues, largely because they process transactions sequentially. Near's Nightshade sharding design parallelizes these processes, enhancing transaction speeds. Notably, this doesn't compromise security, a typical concern with sharding. Randomness-driven selection. In the context of network validation, Near introduces a selection process fueled by randomness. This unpredictability ensures potential malicious entities cannot position themselves favorably, bolstering overall network security. Human-centric account model. Beyond mere technical brilliance, Near champions user experience. It ditches the traditional, often confusing crypto addresses for simpler, readable account names. Coupled with this, its flexible economic model permits developers to pay gas fees, simplifying the user experience manifold. Lauren Zhao, an expert blockchain developer, believes that Near's standout feature is undoubtedly its fusion of cutting-edge tech with a genuine user-centric approach. The innovative account model, for instance, resonates with mainstream users, drawing them into the crypto world. Impacting the financial ecosystem. Pioneering DeFi. Near's infrastructure is a fertile ground for DeFi projects. With its resolution of scalability, it's anticipated to draw mainstream financial institutions into the DeFi space, adding legitimacy and potentially increasing overall crypto adoption. Revolutionizing NFTs. In the burgeoning world of NFTs, Near's efficiency provides a much-needed platform that offers cost-effective minting and eco-friendlier transactions. This could make Near a favorite for artists and creators in the future. Building bridges. With initiatives like the Rainbow Bridge, Near demonstrates its commitment to interoperability, connecting with Ethereum and potentially more blockchains in the future. This seamless cross-chain interaction could be instrumental in shaping a unified crypto future. Devika Patel, a prominent financial strategist, argues, Near's integrated approach, which seamlessly melds finance, art, and technology, is a game-changer. This isn't just about crypto. It's about crafting an all-encompassing financial narrative. Challenges and dialogues. Growing pains. As a relatively new entrant, Near faces challenges. These include bugs, scalability concerns under extreme loads, and the eternal task of convincing developers to migrate from more established platforms. Navigating the competitive seas. The imminent launch of Ethereum 2.0 and the rise of other next-gen blockchains means Near must perpetually innovate to maintain its position. Adoption hurdles. Despite its user-centric design, global adoption is non-trivial. Overcoming the inherent hesitation towards new technology remains a significant task. Offering a balanced view, Rajiv Malhotra, a respected blockchain commentator, suggests Near's journey is emblematic of the broader blockchain narrative. A tale interwoven with vast potential, but not without its share of obstacles and critiques. Financial sector reverberations. Empowerment of developers. Near's provision of a rich developer toolkit could lead to an influx of innovative financial tools, possibly reshaping sectors like online banking, remittances, and even insurance. Setting new standards. By marrying decentralization with usability, Near might redefine expectations, pushing other platforms towards more user-centric designs. Redefining digital identity. Near's exploration of decentralized identity solutions has vast implications, potentially setting new standards for online interactions, transcending beyond just the financial sector. Dr. Alicia Fernandez, a leading figure in fintech, muses, "When we study Near's potential ripples in the financial world, it's clear we're not just witnessing momentary disruptions. Instead, we're observing the early tremors of a paradigm shift." Looking forward. Predictions and speculations. Mainstream adoption. Given its user-first approach, Near could be one of the first blockchains to truly resonate with the average individual, pushing it into the mainstream. Emerging as a DeFi and NFT hub. Near's future might be characterized by a deluge of DeFi projects and NFT marketplaces, solidifying its position in these booming sectors. Evolving beyond its blockchain roots. With its technological framework and emphasis on decentralized systems, Near could transcend blockchain, influencing areas like decentralized computing and storage. Liam O'Reilly, a crypto futurist, opines, "Observing Near, we're not just looking at a blockchain. We're glimpsing the future, a world where decentralized systems are the norm, not the exception." Conclusion. In its relatively short existence, Near Protocol has demonstrated both the challenges and transformative potentials of blockchain platforms. With its tech-forward, user-centric vision, it stands as a testament to what blockchain can achieve. Its journey so far, and the path it carves ahead, provides a blueprint for the decentralized aspirations of the digital future.